Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your habits on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and log in by using your Touch ID or passcode that you have set to your account. Tap on the more icon or the three dots icon down below in the right side corner, and in the more section click on the first option, and you should tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen in order to check your statistics and your record. So if you tap on the week option at the top, here you can see this week's achievements, your monthly achievement. However, this data is only available for premium users. And the last option is the records. So here you can see your records. And if you tap on this calendar button, you can also select from these select a date, an exact day, and tap on the button confirm. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.